Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Easy English Guide. I'm Sam. This is your channel where learning English feels simple, easy, and fun. If you want to learn English easily, then you are in the right place, and you are awesome. Because today, I will help you improve your English listening and speaking. Let me ask you something, and be honest with yourself. Do you really want to learn English? And do you want to master it? I'm sure you want to master it. But whenever you try to speak or express yourself in English, you start to feel nervous. You forget your words. You start translating in your head. Even though you understand everything, when someone else speaks, you understand every word, every idea, and every sentence. But still, you can't speak fluently? I know that feeling. It's frustrating, and it can make you lose confidence. But do you know why that happens? The reason is simple, but most people don't realize it. It is because you're not practicing the right way. That's why you don't really improve. In this video, I will show you how to practice listening and speaking in English in a simple and effective way. You will learn how listening and speaking work together, and why both are important for speaking confidently. After that, we will do a shadowing exercise with 33 easy English sentences. You will repeat each sentence twice, copying the sounds, rhythm, and tone, so your brain and mouth learn to work together. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident, understanding English when you listen and speaking English more naturally in your daily life. Let's start and make learning English fun. All right, let's understand why listening and speaking are the two most powerful parts of learning English. Imagine a student in class learning English. The teacher speaks slowly and clearly, showing how words sound and how sentences flow. Now the student repeats the words, copies the teacher's tone and speed. That's speaking. If the student only listens, they understand but can't respond. If they only speak without listening, their words may sound wrong. You cannot master one without the other. Our goal is to connect them. You listen to hear the sound, then you speak by copying that sound. When listening and speaking work together, the student's English improves quickly. The ears learn the sounds, and the mouth learns to say them naturally. Now let's train your ears. You need to stop passive listening and start active listening. Your goal is the 1-minute challenge. Find any short, beginner-friendly audio or clip. Just 60 seconds. Listen 3 times. 1. Just focus on getting the main topic. What is the speaker talking about? 2. Listen for one new phrase you've never heard before. Write it down. 3. Focus only on word linking. How does going to turn into gonna? This is where natural flow lives. Do this just once a day, and your brain will start noticing the patterns. Now the question is, how can you actually train your brain to connect listening and speaking together? The answer is a powerful technique called shadowing. You may have heard this word before, but let me explain it simply. Shadowing is a simple but powerful technique that helps you sound more natural in English. It means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time. You just repeat after the speaker. Try to match their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation as closely as you can. At first, it may feel a little uncomfortable because you might miss some words or lag behind, but that's completely fine. The goal isn't to be perfect. It's to train your brain to get used to the natural flow of English. Shadowing helps you in many ways. It improves your pronunciation, listening skills, and overall fluency. It trains your mouth, ears, and brain to work together. It builds your confidence because you start speaking without translating or thinking too much about grammar. Start with something short and clear. Maybe a 1-minute audio or video clip. Listen once, then play it again and speak along with the speaker. If it feels too fast, slow down the playback speed a little until you can follow comfortably. With daily practice, you'll notice a big difference. Your speech will sound smoother, more confident, and closer to natural English. Now let's shadow some sentences together for practice. At first, you will hear a sentence and then repeat at the same time. Let's begin. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I speak English with confidence. I speak English with confidence. I can understand English easily now. I can understand English easily now. I listen to English every morning. I listen to English every morning. Great! Keep going. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I learn from my mistakes and try again. I learn from my mistakes and try again. I repeat sentences to sound natural. I repeat sentences to sound natural. I can speak slowly and clearly. I can speak slowly and clearly. My English is getting better every day. My English is getting better every day. I enjoy learning new English words. I enjoy learning new English words. I try to think in English, not translate. I try to think in English, not translate. Amazing! I am proud of you. I listen carefully to how people speak. I listen carefully to how people speak. I speak English with my friends. I speak English with my friends. I can talk about simple topics easily. I can talk about simple topics easily. I understand English movies a little better now. I understand English movies a little better now. I feel proud when I speak English. I feel proud when I speak English. I speak even when I feel nervous. I speak even when I feel nervous. I don't stop. I keep going. I don't stop. I keep going. I can express my ideas in English. I can express my ideas in English. I shadow short videos to practice pronunciation. I shadow short videos to practice pronunciation. Take a break if you feel tired. Then start again. I listen first, then speak after. I listen first, then speak after. I ask questions in English to learn faster. I ask questions in English to learn faster. I use simple words to express my ideas. I use simple words to express my ideas. I repeat what I hear until it feels easy. I repeat what I hear until it feels easy. I match the speaker's tone and rhythm. I match the speaker's tone and rhythm. I practice every day, even for 10 minutes. I practice every day, even for 10 minutes. I know fluency takes time and patience. I know fluency takes time and patience. I'm improving step by step. I'm improving step by step. I enjoy the sound of English. I enjoy the sound of English. I can speak English naturally and confidently. I can speak English naturally and confidently. I believe in myself. I can do this. I believe in myself. I can do this. Great job! You've just practiced listening and speaking with shadowing using 33 sentences. Keep repeating these sentences every day, even for a few minutes, and you will notice your English improving step by step. Remember, learning English is a skill, and practice is the key. Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, have fun with English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any new lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.